Most people fail at content creation for one simple reason. They don't lack ideas. They lack time. And if you're still creating content manually in 2026, you're already behind. Consistency is what wins online. But consistency without the right tools leads to burnout. That's exactly why tools like MagicLight AI are becoming essential. MagicLight AI is designed to help you create content faster, without sacrificing structure, clarity, or quality. Whether you're writing marketing copy, scripts, blog posts, or digital content, the tool streamlines your entire workflow. What makes MagicLight AI interesting isn't just automation. It's how simple it is to use. You input your idea. The AI handles the heavy lifting. The result? More content, better consistency, and more time to focus on what actually grows your business. This is not about replacing creativity. It's about removing friction. MagicLight AI works best as a productivity multiplier for creators who take their work seriously. If you want to test MagicLight AI the smart way, there's a link in the description below. Use the exclusive discount coupon provided there. Get access at a reduced price. Click the link, activate the coupon, and see if it fits your workflow.